Every winter, millions of Americans quietly change, not by choice, but by chemistry. The mornings feel heavier, motivation fades, and you start asking yourself, why do I feel so tired all the time? You promise to snap out of it, but you can't. If that sounds familiar, you might not just be dealing with winter blues, you could be experiencing seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, a type of depression that appears when the days get shorter and sunlight fades. But here's the good news. Once you understand what's happening inside your brain, you can actually reverse it. So, let's uncover the 6 silent signs of seasonal depression and the small science-backed ways to bring your light back. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Syeda Quadri, a U.S. board-certified psychiatrist, and I've been working in the field of mental health for over 15 years. Picture this, it's late December, the holidays are over, the mornings are dark, you wake up but your body feels like it's made of stone. You reach for your phone, scroll through bright pictures of other people's lives, and somehow feel even heavier. You skip breakfast, you skip the gym, and even though you slept 9 hours, you're exhausted. If this story feels personal, you're not alone. According to the American Psychiatric Association, nearly 5% of Americans experience seasonal affective disorder every year, and it can last up to 40% of the year. But most people never realize what's happening. They blame themselves. They think they're lazy. The truth, this is biology, not weakness. And the more we understand it, the faster we can heal. So, what really causes SAD? It starts with sunlight, or rather, the lack of it. When days grow shorter, your brain produces less serotonin, the chemical that regulates mood, and more melatonin, the hormone that makes you sleepy. Your body clock, or circadian rhythm, gets confused. The result, low energy, sadness, and isolation. Studies from Harvard Health and NIMH show that reduced sunlight impacts the hypothalamus, the part of your brain that controls sleep and emotions. That's why SAD usually strikes between November and March, especially in northern states where daylight is limited. And while women are 4 times more likely to experience it, anyone, regardless of age or gender, can be affected. Now let's look at the 6 silent signs that reveal your mind might be fighting more than just winter tiredness. 1. Constant fatigue. You're sleeping 8, maybe 10 hours, yet waking up drained. This isn't normal tiredness. It's chemical fatigue. When serotonin dips, your energy system slows down. You feel foggy, sluggish, and unmotivated. Coffee doesn't fix it because the problem isn't sleep, it's sunlight. 2. Craving sugar and carbs. Ever notice how you crave bread, pasta, or sweets in winter? That's your body's desperate attempt to boost serotonin through quick carbs. But the crash that follows makes you feel worse, creating a vicious cycle of low mood and overeating. 3. Oversleeping and withdrawal. Instead of insomnia, like typical depression, SAD makes you want to hibernate. You might cancel plans, spend weekends in bed, and isolate without realizing it. The less you engage, the lower your energy gets, feeding the loop of sadness. 4. Hopelessness and irritability. The emotional numbness hits quietly. You start losing joy in things you once loved, music, hobbies, people. Everything feels flat. This isn't being moody. It's your brain struggling to regulate dopamine and serotonin properly. 5. Trouble concentrating. Your focus drops, productivity tanks, and small tasks feel overwhelming. It's not a lack of discipline. It's the fog of low light exposure. Many people report that work feels harder during winter, even when workload stays the same. 6. Physical symptoms. Low vitamin D and increased tension hormones can cause unexplained aches and headaches. You might feel physically heavy or sore even without exertion. The body speaks the mind's language, and it's asking for light. The beautiful truth, your brain can recalibrate. You just need to give it the right signals. Here's what experts recommend. Light therapy lamps. 20 minutes in the morning can mimic sunlight and reset your internal clock. Morning movement. A brisk walk or stretch under daylight boosts serotonin faster than any supplement. Vitamin D and omega-3s, found in fish, eggs, and sunlight. They're your natural antidepressants. Limit isolation. Text a friend. Schedule something small. Connection is medicine. Professional therapy, especially cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, proven effective for SAD. Healing isn't about waiting for spring. It's about learning to bring light back into your body now. If any of this sounds familiar, if the dark months always feel heavier, remember you're not broken. Seasonal affective disorder is not a flaw in your character. It's a signal from your body asking for balance. So start small. Open your blinds, take that walk, call someone who listens. because your light isn't gone, it's just waiting behind the clouds. You deserve warmth, energy, and joy in every season. Take your first step today. Bring the light back to your mornings, to your mind, and to your life.